Hello friends, welcome to the homework table with Emy Girl. Today Dad and Emy Girl are going to show you how to do, what are we going to show them how to do today? What kind of homework are we doing?
We're going to do subtracting.
Let me see this so I can show them. We're going to do subtraction. We're going to do some fun subtraction, daddy and daughter time. Come join us and let's learn some homework together. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Emy Girl, are you ready to start a subtraction worksheet?
Yeah.
Okay, so we start with our name at the paper all the time. And you guys can see Emery's super cool honor roll pencil that she got because she was on the principal's honor roll this first semester, right?
Yeah.
Because you worked so hard. And yeah, start with your name.
I think you'll want this honor roll pencil.
I know. You have it. You got a certificate that we have up on the refrigerator, and then you have that super cool pencil.
Yeah.
So we're start with our name at the paper, and we're gonna do a super cool subtraction worksheet.
Yeah. It's kind of confusing to you.
It's okay. We're gonna get it. We know what we're doing.
It's like
This is a fun worksheet.
These are the answers.
Yeah, I'm gonna explain some right now. Okay. It's called the dab of winter fun. So you said that subtraction was your favorite, right? You like subtraction more than you like addition? Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. These numbers down here are our answers. So when we get our answer, you can pick a super cool color pencil to color it in. Which one do you want to pick?
Ooh, I want to pick this.
You want blue? Okay, so take the blue. So we're gonna use this color pencil to color in our answers, and then we're gonna use that blue. Okay, grab that blue, and then we're gonna use this to record everything else. Okay? So we're gonna start with the pictures, and we're gonna count the pictures. How many total of hats are there?
There was 3.
Okay, so we start with 3.
And then X out 1.
We'll get there. Let's start with 3. Okay, so write 3 right here. Yup.
3.
That's right. Minus how many? How many has an X on it?
1.
Good job. So where does 1 go? That's
1.
right. So 3 minus 1 equals what? How many are left? Count them.
2.
Count them for me.
1, 2.
Good job. So you write 2 here. No, you have to write 2 here with your pencil. And then wherever you can see 2 out of these, you color it in. So that's the worksheet, okay? We're going to have fun with the other 8 boxes. It's going to be super fun. So go ahead and which one's 2? No, up here. That one's 2. Go ahead and color it in.
So pretty.
So pretty. So cool. Okay, so that's the worksheet, okay?
Okay. Let me just...
It's okay. Jai will... All right.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Come on. So let's go to our second box. Now we have snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
Let's count all the snowflakes. Let's go back to our pencil. We're only using that to color in, okay? Leave that one right here.
Okay.
No, right here.
Oh.
Perfect. Thank you. That's okay. And let's count all the snowflakes, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
9. Okay, so let's start with 9. We have 9.
Okay, we're gonna have 9.
9 snowflakes.
Here.
Good job. And how many are we subtracting? How many of the snowflakes are we taking away?
3.
3. You counted 3 X's?
So
good job.
3.
So 9 minus 3 equals what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good
it's
job.
6.
So where's 6 on this line right here?
6 is right here.
Good job. Let's color that in. So if I have 9 and I take away 3, how many is that?
It is 6.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, well now I know. Thank you, Emy Girl. All right. So let's go on to our next box. We have hot chocolate because this is it's a dab of winter fun. So this is all winter stuff. This is Christmas themed, okay?
Ooh.
This is winter themed.
This is
winter hats?
Christmas hats.
Right.
This is mittens.
That's right.
This is coffee.
No, this is hot chocolate too.
Hot chocolate.
It does look like coffee. Snowflakes. All right, so right now we're on hot chocolate. Let's count how many total hot chocolates do we have. We always start with all of them.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
There's 5.
5. Good job. There we go. You're getting the hang of it. Okay, so we have 5 minus how many have an X? So we have 5.
1, 2, 3.
Minus 3. And then what's that?
It's 1, 2, 3. There's 3.
We're taking away 3. And how many do we have left?
There's 2.
There's 2 left.
1, 2.
So 5 minus 3 is what?
2.
Oh, okay, I got it now. Okay.
Answers are right.
Go ahead, let's color it in.
Blue, blue.
Blue, blue. Let's color it in. All right, we're on to the mittens, girly girl. How many total mittens do we have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me make sure you got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, you counted that so fast. Holy
1,
cow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have 8 mittens.
8. So
Yep.
do this. You have to make an S.
Like an
it's
S? Yep.
It's gonna be kind of weird. Or you start from here, or you start from here.
And then you connect it. Boom. So we have 8, guys. And how many are we taking away? Count them.
We're taking away 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're taking away 4. So how many do we have
4.
left? If I have 8 and I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, how many do we have left?
5.
Nope. Count them again.
4.
There you go. So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Look at the mittens. Look at. So we have 8 mittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many have an X? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have these left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So the answer is, can you find the 4?
4.
Is that 4? I think that one's 4.
No, that's not.
What is that one?
That is a 5.
That's a 5. Oh, that one's the 4. Okay. I thought that one was the 4. My eyes were playing tricks on me.
Maybe your eyes were full of snowflakes.
Yeah, maybe I had mittens on my eyes. They jumped off the worksheet and they closed my eyes.
You thought that was a 5. It kind of looks like a. I mean, it kind of looks like a 4.
Well, you kept saying 5. You kept saying 8 minus 4 was 5 when 8 minus 4 is 4. You didn't even write the answer in. We have to write the answer in first. Girly girl, you got ahead of yourself. That's okay. Write the 4 in there. Perfecto. Now we're on to what are these things?
We try to do jokes of Spanish and stuff.
What are these? What are these things? What is this a picture of?
Skates.
Ice skates. All right, let's count all the total ice skates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. Good job. How many are we taking away?
We're taking away 2.
Good job. How many do we have left?
3.
Good job. Perfect. See what happens? We have to dial back in.
Color in the 3. Where is the 3, guys? This one? You think so?
No, I don't think that one's it.
Is this one it?
I think so. Because that one looks like a 1, so that has to be the 3, right? It looks just like yours.
That has to be like
That has to be the answer. Good job.
Do a V. Color it in.
Mm-hmm. On to the next one. What are these things? Oh, I know what those are. I couldn't see
I
them.
know.
What are they?
Hats.
They're little winter hats.
Like
okay.
hat right there.
How many total hats do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so 6. We have 6. We're starting with 6 total.
6
Yup. Minus how many?
minus 0?
No?
Yes, it's 0.
That's you're a little bit ahead of yourself. How many X's do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 6 minus what?
6.
Good job. And then that equals what?
Let me go.
All right, let's fix that 6 because that's a little sloppy. Erase that and fix that. So we had 6 total winter hats. We minus 6. So when you have a total of 5 minus 5, what does that equal? I have 5 and I take 5 away. That means I don't have any more.
Yeah.
So we had 6 winter hats and we took them all away, and that equals 0.
Okay, now is another 6.
Okay, let's find this 6 and color it in.
I don't know where the 6 is.
Oh, there is no 6. 6 minus 6 equals what? The answer's not 6.
0.
0. You tried to trick me there, didn't you? You got me. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Good job, Emy Girl. You're doing good. We only have 3 more boxes left, okay? We're almost done with our worksheet.
Yes, almost done. And then we're going to see you next time.
That's right. All right, on our last 3 boxes, let's start here. We got our hot chocolate. How many hot chocolates do we have? Count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We have 6 hot chocolates. Go ahead and write that in.
It's like the other math equation.
Just like the other math equation. This is very similar. It's starting very similar. Minus how many X's do we see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
It's 5?
So if I have 6 coffee mugs and I minus 5 of them, how many coffee mugs do I have left?
1.
I have 1 coffee mug left. Good job. Let's find the 1. Color it in. You got the hang of the worksheet now? This is very cool. So if you guys are doing subtraction or addition at home, you can cut up pieces of paper. You can get different color pencils. That's what we should do. We should grab the color pencils and we can go like this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color pencils. If I take away 3 color pencils, how many do I have left?
3.
So 6 minus 3 equals 3. There's so many things you could do with a subtraction. So many things you could do with addition.
maybe like
What?
oranges, apples.
You could use oranges, apples. That's right.
Counters.
All right, we're on our last 2. We're almost done. We're doing such a good job. How many snowflakes do we have in total? Count all the snowflakes slowly.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? We have 8. Okay, so let's start with 8.
8. You remember how I taught you?
That's right, you did. That one's even better. Your 8s are getting better as you're writing them. Minus how many?
Minus 1.
We only have 1 snowflake we're taking away. So what's the total?
I already know the answer.
What? What's the answer?
9.
No, that would be plus.
Oh no, I mean 7.
Good job, the opposite way. Perfect, Emy Girl, that was smart. And your 7s, if you guys had watched Emy Girl's videos before this, I made her erase the 7s so many times when you're writing your 7s. You're writing them like little V's like to the side. And look at how much better your 7s got off just practicing how to write them. This is how Daddy writes his 7s. He writes it like this, right? And then he puts a line through it like this. But you do yours just like this one. Okay, so, I told you the answer, but which one's 7? Okay, go ahead and color it in. 8 minus 1 equals 7, and then 8 plus 1 equals 9. But we're on a subtraction worksheet.
That was just a magic trick.
Go ahead and color it in.
I went like this, and I saw that.
All right, color it in. Good job, baby.
I'm just tracing in the words so I don't have to quick. Okay, quick. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. Done.
All right, good job. Do this last one by yourself, okay? We have one more. Get it. First of all, tell me what the picture is.
It is skating.
Ice skates. Okay, go ahead and count the ice skates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Okay, how many are we taking away?
4.
What's the answer?
It is 3.
Good job. Go ahead and write 3 and color that bad boy in.
You said bad boy?
Go ahead and color that bad boy circle in. Go ahead. I see 4, 3, and 1, but the answer is definitely 3.
Yeah.
Good job.
Like, look, we have...
Awesome job, Emy Girl. Good job. High five. How'd you find this worksheet? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was really fun.
All right, well, thank you for teaching us here at the homework table with you, Emy Girl. I learned how to subtract today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you, baby girl.
Did you learn how to?
They learned a lot today. I promise
Yeah,
they did.
really
You did a
did.
good job teaching us. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.